The Broil King Leather Grilling Gloves. Broil King's premium heavy-duty leather grilling gloves offer a luxurious level of protection for any griller. These gloves feature an ultra-soft lining inside thick and durable leather and are heat-resistant up to 212 degrees Fahrenheit. The gloves keep your hands safe and comfortable for moving heat-retaining grilling accessories on and off your grill. Finished with blue accents and a white silkscreen Broil King logo, these gloves are as stylish as they are protective. It's the perfect accessory for every griller. The Broil King Leather Grilling Gloves. Broil King, do more with your grill.